Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Xero for streamlined expense categorization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Xero, first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Xero accounting software and hit enter. Look for the official Xero website link in the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the Xero homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the free trial or sign up button. Click on the button to start the download process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and business information. After entering your information, click on Get Started or Sign Up. Check your email for a verification message from Xero. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will take you back to the Xero website, where you can set a password. Once your password is set, you can log in to your new Xero account. Follow the prompts to set up your organization and financial details. After setup, navigate to the dashboard to access expense categorization features. To streamline expense categorization, click on the Expenses tab in the dashboard. Use the options provided to upload receipts and categorize expenses accordingly. Ensure that you regularly review and update your expense categories for accuracy. You are now ready to use Xero for managing your expenses efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.